I won't deny it, I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck with me. Got the police bustin' at me, but they can't do nothing to the G.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Really go on in the mind like the police bustin' get down for this, but they can't constantly shoot the G. I'm screaming money over at your side. I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck with me, stand your ground. Got the police bustin' at me. My ambitions as a rider. My ambitions as a rider. So many battlefield scars while driven in plus cars. This life is a rap star, it's nothing without God. Was born rough and rugged, addressing the man public. My attitude was fuck it. These motherfuckers love it to be a soldier. Must maintain composure at ease, though life is complicated. Only what you make it to be. And my ambitions as a rider, to catch her while she hot and horns go up inside her. Then I spit some game in the ear, go to the telly ho. He put with money in the bin, cause bitch I'm belly broke. I'm smoking bomb ass weed, feeling crucial. From player to player, the gang fight, the feeling's mutual. From hustling and prayers to begging motherfuckers to pay us. I got no time for these bitches, cause these hoes try to play us. I'm on a meal, ticket mission, want a meal. So I'm wishing competition got me blitzed on that bullshit they stressing. I'm a rhyme though, clown hoes like it's mandatory. No plus no glory, my nigga bitch got the game distorted. Now it's on and it's on because I said so. Can't trust a bitch in the business, so I got with damn bro. Now these money hungry bitches getting suspicious. Started plotting and planning on the scheme to come and trick us. But thug niggas be on point and game tight. Me psyching Bogart, wrapped up the same night. Got problems, then handle it, motherfuckers see me. These niggas is jealous, too deep in their hearts, they wanna be me. And now you got me right beside you. Hoping you listen, I catch you paying attention to my ambitions as a rider. I'm a straight rider. My ambitions as a rider. But they can't do nothing. Keep it straight rider. It was my only wish to rise above these jealous coward motherfuckers I despise. When it's time to ride, I was the first off inside. Give me the 9. I'm ready to die right here tonight. Motherfuck they like. That's what they screaming as they drill me, but I'm hard to kill. So open fire so you kill me. Witness my steel. Spitting it adversaries, envious and after me. I'd rather die before they capture me. Watch me bleed. Mama come rescue me. I'm suicidal thinking thoughts. I'm innocent, said every bullet's flying when I'm caught. Fuck doing jail time. Better days sacrifice. Don't get a chance to do me like they did my nigga Ty. Thug it for life. And if you right, the nigga die for it. Let the motherfuckers try. At least you try for it. When it's time to die, to be a man to pick the way you lead. Fuck peace and the police. My ambitions as a rider. I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck with me. My ambitions as a rider. But they can't do nothing to a G. My murderous lyrics equip with spirit to the thugs before me. Stay off the block, you baby got, cause I know they coming for me. I've been hesitant to be up here. Been away for years, never back my adversaries. Been reduced to tears, clutching my method to switch the speed. Show us some bitches bleed, niggas are feeling fine. My mother's corrupt and see, blast me but they didn't finish. Didn't diminish my power, so now I'm back to be a motherfucking menace. They cowards, that's why they try to set me up. Have bitch ass niggas on my team, so indeed they wet me up. But I'm back, reincarnated, incarcerated at the time I called the breakaway to God made it. Listen with lyrics that's legendary, musical mercenary for money. I had these motherfuckers buried, getting much mail in jail. Niggas telling me to kill it, knowing when I get out they gon' feel it. Witness the realest of who rider when I put the shit inside you. Drive from all your people when they find you. Must remind you, my history is proof authentic. Revenge on the niggas to play me, and all the cowards that was down with it. Now it's your nigga right